Good morning all of you. Today we have to see the information about the lesson number 1 from book number 2, that is Windows 10. We have to see the basic information about the Windows 10 first. All of you, all the students, we have the brain same as it is for the computer also. Operating system is required. Without operating system it cannot work. So first we will see the definition of an operating system. So first one is an operating system is an interface between user and machine, and it runs all programs on a computer. Again we will see it is an interface between user and machine. Now we have to see the examples of an operating system. First one it is Windows 98, Windows XP, Windows 7 and Windows 10. So these are the different operating system examples. In this Windows 10, which is the latest one operating system. Now we have to see the features of an operating system. First one it is GUI. GUI means graphical user interface. Using this we can see the different pictures, again videos or different images on the screen. Second one it is multitasking. Multitasking means we can perform the many jobs at the same time on the computer. Third one it is security. Windows 10 it gives the security option also, and using this we can give the password for our computer system. Then file management. Using the file management we can perform the different operations, like we can create a folder or a file. Again we can rename the folder, and we can delete or we can add the folder also. So these are the functions of an operating system. Now next we have to see the how to make the changes of an screen. So for that there are the different steps that we will see now. Now first we have to, when you start your computer, the first screen appear on the monitor is known as a desktop, and on this desktop you will see the different icons. These are known as the icons. If it is Windows 10, then it shows in the form of tiles, and in these tiles there are the different applications are available. Again at the bottom taskbar is given, and on this taskbar there are the options like time, again clock. All these options are available, and when you minimize the application it will show on the taskbar. Now we will see how to make the changes in your computer system. So first you have to right click the mouse and using personalize option. Now this is a Windows XP operating system. Those who have the computer, they will check it. In that, when you right click, personalize option is given, and when you click on the personalize option it will show you the display properties. It will show you the display property. First you have to right click and personalize option, and then it will show you the display properties. In this it will show you the different options, that is themes, desktop, screensaver, appearance and setting. Now today just we will see how to change the desktop. So first one we will see the definition of desktop. Desktop, where as soon as the computer start, the first screen appears on the monitor is known as a desktop, and this background picture is, it will show you on the screen. So using this we can change the desktop. So there are the different backgrounds are available. From the desired we can select whichever you want, and then you have to click on the apply OK option, and using this we can make the changes in the desktop. So again we will revise the steps. First you have to right click the mouse, then personalize option. After clicking on the personalize option, it will show you the display properties box, and in this desktop option is available. When you click on the desktop, it will show you the different pictures in this box, from which we have to select whichever you want, and then you have to click on the OK apply button and then OK. Using this we can change the desktop background of an computer system. So this is the information related to the how to change the background system. Thank you.